Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthy Asian Cuisine channel. Today you are going to learn how to make super healthy, quick and easy tender green beans stir-fried with shallots and minced garlic. It's a budget-friendly and a perfect side dish for weekday dinner. To make this dish, let's begin to prepare your cooking ingredients. To start, prepare the green beans by cutting off the harder stem and leaving the other end on, as it is edible and look nice too. Note, if the beans are large, cut them diagonally into bite-sized pieces. Wash the beans, drain and pat dry, then set aside. Next, peel and finely chop the shallots. Finally, peel and crush the garlic with a garlic press. To cook the green beans, heat a wok or a large saute pan and heat over high heat. Add the oil. Once the oil is hot and lightly smoking, add the minced shallots and stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Fry the chopped shallots until they start to turn into a brown or golden color. Then add the garlic into the pan and cook for another 30 seconds. Being careful not to burn the garlic. Add the beans to the pan and stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, stirring to combine all the ingredients. Stir fry the beans until they are nearly cooked, then mix in soya sauce and coconut sugar. Continue to stir fry to evenly mix soya sauce and coconut sugar with everything in the pan. Note, at this moment you can add a tablespoon of water at a time to deglaze the caramelized shallots and coconut sugar that stick to the bottom of the pan. Lastly, add sesame seed oil and stir to mix everything evenly in the pan. Note, at this moment, also taste the beans. Add some salt or more sugar according to your preference. Cook until the beans are turning bright green, cooked and still crisp. Transfer immediately to a serving bowl and garnish with toasted almond slices. Serve as a side dish immediately with rice or noodle and tuck in. Please share this video, subscribe and let me know how you get on with this recipe in the comments below. If you make this recipe, please tag Healthy Asian Cuisine on Instagram. Happy cooking and I'll see you in the next video.